Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix TikTok something went wrong issue on iPhone or Android. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution you have about wait for some time when you have facing this issue. TikTok something went wrong, so then you have wait for sometimes. In the first place, you are recommended to wait a moment and try again. If you receive the above message just as the message describes, it is probably due to server errors. Then you have nothing to do but wait for TikTok to fix the issue and make it is server come back to work. Then second solution, you have restart TikTok or your iPhone. So then you have, while use the TikTok app, he is something went wrong issue. So then you have double tap on home tab, so you have remove. Then you have restart or reopen the TikTok. Then restart your iPhone. Secondly, one of the easy fixing in this force stop the TikTok application and reopen it. If that fails to handle to something went wrong on TikTok, so then you have again problem. You can further restart your mobile device to have try. Press the volume up, volume down, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted. Third solution, you have checked your network connection. Fourthly, ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. If not, you can troubleshoot your problems with below methods. So you have connected to Wi-Fi network on your iPhone. So you have disconnect and then you have reconnect the Wi-Fi network on your iPhone. Check the internet connection at least. Then fourth solution, update TikTok or phone system. So you have next, you can try to update your program to the latest version to fix previous bugs and error. Besides, you may also need to update your device operating systems to match your new app version. So you have update software iOS. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so you have must be installed on your iPhone. Then you have update the TikTok app from your app store on iPhone. So you have use the Android, so you have Play Store from you have download the TikTok app. So then last solution, you have reset TikTok app. Finally, you can reset the TikTok setting to default parameters to try to settle the above issue. Resetting will remove your personal setting and go back to the original configuration of the program. So you have open the setting. So then you have click on general, click on iPhone storage. So then you have seen the TikTok app is you have click here and then you have upload and then you have reinstalled from here and then the problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.